Hi guys, my name is Kay and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, itatry natin yung 3-minute makeup challenge na nakita ko sa page ni Say You Philippines. So if you want to see how it turned out, then please keep on watching. So ngayon we're still at the enhanced community quarantine. So minsan hindi na tayo nagkakaroon ng time to do our makeup kasi wala naman tayong pupuntahan. So ngayon itatry natin mag-makeup for 3 minutes. Let's see kung anong magiging itsura. The last time I did a challenge was a 5-minute makeup challenge. So, parang feeling ko kulang na kulang yung oras ko doon. So, ngayon, we're gonna make it a little bit more challenging. So, we will do a 3-minute makeup challenge. So, itong 3-minute makeup challenge na to, meron na tayong head start. I already did my base. So, I used this one. So this is the Innisfree na sun cream. So yan lang kasi hindi naman tayo aalis. Ginagamit ko naman din yan usually, although not at all times kasi medyo matagal siyang ma-absorb ng skin. So kanina ko pa siya nilagay. And we have to set our timer. So we'll set the time at 3 minutes. So ang majority ng gagamitin ko is Korean makeup or K-beauty. So, i-link ko na lang din sa baba or maybe I'll show it in the screen kung ano yung mga items na ginamit ko. So, without further ado, simulan na natin yung ating 3-minute makeup challenge. So, tingnan natin kung ano magiging itsura natin sa 3 minutes lang. So, timer starts. So, timer is complete. So, tapos na yung 3 minutes natin. So, eto lang yung naging itsura niya. So, kulang yung oras kasi minadali ko lang yung kilay ko. Pero, pwede na akong pumunta sa palengke ng ganitong itsura. Medyo okay na siya. So, ito yung kinalabasan ng 3-minute makeup challenge natin. So, pwede na. So, yun lang yung video ko for today. This is a challenge I saw in Facebook. So, this is my entry to the 3-minute makeup challenge. So, if you like videos like this, please hit the like button. Comment down below if kaya nyo rin ba mag-makeup in 3 minutes time. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!